Another quick update, 'cause things are moving a little slowly this time of year, but nonetheless busy. Oh, by the way, I'm Chris from CJ's Landscape Design. And here we are. Oh yes, let's not forget organic gardening. Let's take a little look at how far the propagation bench has come in the last week. Tons of seed starts popping up. Well, let's not forget these down here. So maybe a little later we'll go out in the greenhouse before the festivities really kick off around here. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Well, as promised, here we are in the greenhouse. I've already been out here a couple times today, just checking on things, doing a little watering. But just a quick overview for you. Some seed starts that had a little bit of a rough start in life. Some of them obviously doing better than others. Those Roma tomatoes are going wild, and even the brandywine isn't looking too bad. Potatoes still going crazy. Got some sunflowers that are taking off. There's some corn hidden back in there. And yep, our bags are finally starting to show a little bit of green in them. Well, not that one, but. So, things are looking up in here. We're hoping for some nicer weather. It's been, I don't know, partly sunny today, so we're at about 72 degrees in here. Quick side note, I haven't mentioned composting in a while, but compost bed's coming along pretty nice. Now, I don't know about you, but we save our food scraps, and being St. Patrick's Day, we've got a ton of food scraps after prep. So what we're gonna do is basically inoculate this bed, which is just loaded with carbon, dry brown leaves. We're gonna give it a little greens. I give it coffee grounds on a regular basis. The worms love it, it makes it active. The bacteria loves it. It breaks down quicker, provides more nutrients for our plants. As you're gonna be able to see here, I'm about 2 feet down in the pile. There's today's scraps. I'm just gonna cover that back up and let Mother Nature do the work.